Hey, what's up everyone? Today, let's talk about why copper is the go-to metal for electrical wires, even though silver is the best conductor. First off, let's talk cost. Copper is way more affordable than silver or gold. Yeah, silver might be the best conductor, but it's super expensive. Imagine wiring your house with silver. Your budget would skyrocket. Gold is even pricier, and believe it or not, less conductive than copper. Next, durability and corrosion resistance. Copper holds up well over time and doesn't corrode easily. Silver might be an excellent conductor, but it tarnishes when exposed to air, which can mess up its effectiveness over time. Gold resists corrosion, but isn't as durable in some environments. Now, availability. Copper is more abundant than silver and gold. This makes it a more sustainable option for widespread use in electrical wiring. Mechanical properties. Copper wins here too. It's more ductile and flexible, meaning it's easier to draw into thin wires without breaking. Plus, it handles stress better and is easier to work with when manufacturing cables. Lastly, let's talk weight. While aluminum is lighter than copper, it's not as durable and needs larger diameters to achieve similar conductivity. Copper's balance of weight and conductivity makes it the preferred choice. So, while silver might be the most conductive, copper's combination of conductivity, cost, durability and ease of use makes it the optimal choice for most electrical wiring needs. If you found this video informative, hit the subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.